Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So recently, you might have got the news that our Prime Minister Modi has opened the nuclear sector to the private players. So first, in order to know about the listed companies, first we need to deep dive into what exactly happens in this electricity generation from the nuclear energy. So come, let's see the process. So what exactly the process is? There is a nuclear reactor in which there are the uranium fuel rods. In this rods there is uranium. So basically first a neutron is being shot, and this neutron goes and hits the uranium atoms in the uranium fuel rods, and these uranium atoms will be splitting due to this nuclear fission, and various neutrons are released. These neutrons in turn go and hit the another atoms. As a result, a chain reaction will happen. This chain reaction will produce a heat. This heat will in turn heats up the water that is surrounding the uranium fuel rods. As a result, steam generates. This steam goes through this pipe and is responsible for the turbine to spin like a windmill. This turbine, when it spins like a windmill, which is connected to the generator, so it will make the generator to convert the mechanical energy to the electrical energy. So, and also this generator will store the electricity. Later, this electricity will be forwarded to the transformers, and from the transformers this power will be supplied to the household as well as the various industries and etc. And over here, when the steam that has run the turbines, the excess steam that will be reconverted into the water by the condenser as well as the cooling tower. So this cooling tower will help to dissipate the excess steam that is being generated due to this nuclear fission that is continuously happening over here. So these cooling towers help to remove the excess steam from this place, as well as it will reconvert the steam into the water that will be recycled back to the nuclear reactors. So in short, this is a heavy capital intensive sector, and various players has been invited by our Prime Minister Modi to invest in this sector and build nuclear infrastructure for the electricity generation purpose for our country. Okay, so now let's understand the nuclear energy stocks in India 2025. So the world is racing towards the decarbonization. In this sector, so nuclear energy has re-emerged as a critical pillar of the sustainable growth. So why we are focusing on nuclear power? So the solar energy and wind energy are always in the headlines, but this nuclear power is quietly, building its presence due to its energy density as well as the reliability in the clean energy production. It's very energy dense. 1 gram of the uranium is equal to the energy produced by 1 ton of the coal. So that is how much energy dense this nuclear power is. India is targeting to go net zero emissions by 2070, and nuclear capacity is set to rise from 7.5 gigawatt from the 2024 to 22.5 gigawatt by 2031. So what are the nuclear energy stocks? So these are the companies that are either generating the electricity using the nuclear reactors, example the NTPC and NPCIL, or the companies that are manufacturing the critical nuclear components like WPIL or Walchan Nagar Industries, as well as the companies that are supplying supporting systems like cooling systems, forgings, walls, and heat exchangers, as well as the companies that are supplying the raw materials, the mining industries, mining companies that are mining the uranium, thorium, etc. And let's understand what why India needs nuclear energy in the market context. So India's power demand is going to rise 6 to 7% annually through 2030 due to industrialization, urbanization, as well as the EV revolution. While renewable energy is expanding, we know that solar and wind are having some intermittent issues because the sun doesn't shine always and wind doesn't flow all the time. Hence, the nuclear power is a perfect solution in this sector, in this field. So why nuclear power is a perfect solution? Let's understand this. It is carbon free, it is consistent, and weather independent. It is high energy, it is giving high energy output with minimal land use, and because of this we can reduce our oil imports and dollar outflow will be decreasing, and we can become energy independent. Government has approved 10 new 700 megawatt pressurized heavy water reactors and has opened the nuclear supply chain to the private sector. So now let's understand the top nuclear energy stocks in India. So here I'll be explaining the names as well as their primary business and the relevance to the nuclear energy as well as their key strength. The first name is WPIL Limited. So this company is primarily focused in engineering and pump systems, supplying the pump systems for the nuclear and power cooling systems. The key strength of this company is it is specialized in custom fluid handling solutions for the nuclear plants, and it has a strong PSU client base. Next comes the NTPC Limited company. It is India's largest power producer, and it is entering into the nuclear sector via joint venture with NPCIL. And the key strength of this NTPC Limited company is it has a strong balance sheet and government backing, as well as diversified power portfolio. Next comes AMIC Forgings Limited Company. It manufactures the heavy duty forgings for the nuclear, defense, and oil and gas sectors. And the key strength of this company is high margin precision engineering. Next comes the Patel Air Temp India Limited Company. It manufactures the heat exchangers, pressure vessels, and condensers for the nuclear system. And the key strength of this company is proven engineering record, consistent profitability, and order inflow. Next comes Walchandnagar Industry Limited. It manufactures reactors, parts as well as end shields and components for the NPCIL and ISRO. And the key strength of this company is long technical expertise in heavy engineering and government relations. Next comes Kilburn Engineering Limited. This company designs specialized heat transfer systems and drying systems for nuclear process. This company is debt-free and strong engineering capabilities. Next comes Venus Pipes and Tubes Limited. This company produces stainless steel and tubes for nuclear cooling and heat exchanges. So the key strength of this company is high revenue, strong exports, and expanding. This company is expanding into high-grade nuclear steel. And next comes Sealmatic India Limited. It manufactures the mechanical seals that is used in nuclear, refinery, and power plant. And the key strength of this company is IP. It is IP driven, manufacturing with a strong export footprint, as well as it has good profit margin. So these are the companies which you can have in your watch list and study these companies' fundamentals as well as technicals and take your call to enter in this companies or not. So once again, this is not a sell or buy recommendation. Do your own research and analysis. We are not SEBI registered. And if you feel we have put good efforts in covering the nuclear energy supply chain, please try to follow our channel, and we'll come in front of you with new more sectors and more multi-bagger companies, etc. Thank you.